Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to Modern English with Sana. Today we are going to learn daily used sentences यानी कि daily इस्तेमाल होने वाले छोटे फिक्रात with the help of Urdu translation. So first we have here what for यानी कि किस लिए what for. Next we have what brings you here यहाँ कैसे आना हुआ what brings you here. Next we have yes why not हाँ क्यों नहीं Yes, why not? Next we have for whom किसके लिए For whom. Next we have how come ऐसा कैसे How come. Next we have anytime यानी कि कभी भी Anytime. Next we have how soon कितना जल्दी How soon. Next we have how mean कितना मतलबी या फिर कितनी मतलबी हो How mean या फिर You are so mean. Next we have you never know यानी कि कुछ भी हो सकता है You never know या फिर We never know कुछ भी हो सकता है. Next we have can't say कुछ कह नहीं सकते Can't say या फिर We can't say. Next we have why take a chance रिस्क क्यों लेना Why take a chance. Next we have just because बस ऐसे ही just because. Next we have really सच में really या फिर oh really. So viewers again आप इसको जितना ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपकी इंग्लिश उतनी ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव होगी. See you next time.